Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tebs. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a TCL 55 inches smart LED TV, model LED 55P65 US. It's turning on but the image is flickering. I'll show you how to fix it. If you like electronics or want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started. The flickering image is also a CKV line problem. It can be fixed by disconnecting the right or the left CKV and LC1 and LC2 lines of the panel. Luckily the CKV lines are indicated on the circuit board and we can easily identify them. To identify which side has the bad CKV by disconnecting the plat wires going to the panel one at a time. Let's first remove the right side. The image still flickers. Let's connect back the right plat wire and try the plat wire left side.
Mrs. kung tulad tayo sunan.
Now the flickering is gone. So the left side has the bad CKV. No traces show here on the left side, so let's see the right side which has the traces. These are the LC1, LC2 and the CKV lines. Let's cut a piece of paper exactly from LC1 LC2 and all the CKV lines. And insert the paper on the left side which has the bad CKV. Now let's try it. Seems okay now.
Shit.
We have an image now, but it has lines appearing at the side that we disconnected. Let's try other options to remove those lines. Solder and join all these 8 CKV lines which we have disconnected.
A few inches later.
Note, not all will works on this method. The lines are gone now.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. You can help this channel by liking and subscribing. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. Once again, I'm Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.